B? A book? It's a book that Pop-Pop got you? Pop-Pop? Say Pop-Pop. A Violet? Mom's gotta get batteries. A duck. Duck? Yeah. Not the mouse. It's a soap. It's soap. Can I see? Thank you. Duck? What's that? What's that? These are her butterflies. Damn. That I did. That is not a hole. It's like a hook. I gotta put them on there. Oh, the butterflies. I'm gonna get more for here, but I have to get something that sticks. So I put them there, and then they come off, but I don't want it to go in her crib because it's right here. So I have it on that wall, and that wall. A tree. That's her rocking chair. That's what I think. Get different curtains, more wintry ones. Just a little bit of Liliah and I playing. She has 2 sheeps. My mom's friend got her that. And that one I got her last Christmas, I think. It's her favorite bear. She sleeps with her at night with her blanket. And there's Liliah. Say hi, Lily. Say hi.